Good afternoon, students. Okay, today I will teach Stokes theorem problems. Okay, today we will solve the Stokes theorem problems. Okay, then evaluate using the Stokes theorem for vector f vector is equal to x square plus y square I minus 2xyj taken round the rectangle bounded by x is equal to 0, comma, x is equal to a, comma, y is equal to 0, then y is equal to b. This question is appeared in June 2016 in VTU question paper. Then write the solution. Okay, first we need to find first we have to write Stokes theorem statement. We have to write Stokes theorem statement. We have to write Stokes theorem statement. Then integral of C f vector dr vector is equal to double integral of S nabla cross f vector dot n cap ds. N cap ds. Okay, evaluate means we need to find LHS or RHS. Okay, then I will we will find RHS part only. Okay, RHS is equal to integral of S nabla cross f vector into n cap ds. Okay, then first we need to draw the diagram. We need to draw the diagram. It's a rectangle taken round the rectangle bounded. Okay, write the diagram here. Rectangle, write down. This is x-axis, y-axis. Then the point is here 0, 0. Then problem only is given the point x is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 0. X is equal to a. This is x is equal to a. And b here b is 0. Okay. Then this is a point. This is 0. The next, this point is b. The point is here b to b. A to b. Okay. The point. Then c is here x-axis is 0 and y-axis is here b. Okay, you have to draw the diagram. The curve will go to this type OA and AB and BC and again CO. Understood? O point is 0, 0. A point is A, 0 and B point is A, B and C point is 0, B. Okay. Then first we have to find only RHS. RHS is equal to integral of S nabla cross n vector dot n cap into ds. Okay. Then write down nabla cross f vector is equal to I j k. Okay. Then del by del x, del by del y, del by del z. Okay. Then I term in the problem I is what? Here I is x square plus y square. I is x square plus y square. J is minus 2xy and k is not a present. In place of k we have to write down 0. Means here x square plus y square, and j term here minus 2xy, and k is 0. Okay, then simplify. What will get here? I into del by del y, I'm sorry, del by del y into 0 minus del by del z into minus 2xy. Del by del z into minus 2xy. Okay, then minus j. Then del by del x into 0. Del by del x into 0 minus del by del z into x square plus y square. Okay, then plus k into del by del x into minus 2xy minus del by del y into x square plus y square. Okay, then simplify. I into del by del y into 0 is 0 minus del by del z. Okay, minus into minus plus del by partially differentiating with respect to z. Here 2xy is there. 2xy is a constant term. Differentiation of constant term is 0. Write down here 0 minus j into del by del x into 0 is 0 minus del by del z, partially differentiating with respect to z. X square plus y square is there. X square plus y square is a constant. Differentiation of constant term is 0. Okay, then plus k into del by del x into minus 2xy, partially differentiating with respect to x. Minus 2xy means minus 2 into x is a 1 into y. Then minus del by del y into x square plus y square. Partially differentiating with respect to y we are doing means x square is 0. Okay, x square is 0. X square is 0. But y square is plus 2y. Plus 2y. Okay, then I into 0. J is 0. And k is here minus 2y, we will get it here plus k into minus 2y means minus 4y k, minus 4y k. Okay, then here nabla cross f vector is equal to minus 4yk. Okay, then next what we have to do is write down nabla cross f vector dot n cap ds. Okay, nabla cross f vector is minus 4yk and n cap ds is dy dzi plus dx dzj plus dz dx k. Okay, dz d here dy dzi dx dzj, then dx dy k. Okay, then here I term is not there, 0, j term is not there, 0. Then k dot k is 1. K dot k is 1. Then minus 4y now dx into dy. Minus 4y dx into dy. Okay. Then write down RHS part of Stokes theorem. Integral of S nabla cross m factor dot n cap ds is equal to integral of in place of nabla cross f vector dot n cap is nothing but minus 4. Okay, minus 4y. Okay, dy y we have to write it in variable form, x is in point form. Okay, here y is equal to, okay, diagram is this type now, 0 0, then x a comma 0, here b comma b, well b a comma b, then here 0 comma b. Okay, y is varies from y is varies from here 0 to b. Y is varies from 0 to b, and x is okay, x is varies from 0 to a. Okay, here x is varies from 0 to a. Okay, then next, integrate. Integration of x is equal to 0 to a. Then integration of y is what? Y integrating with respect to y we are doing. Integration of y is y square by 2. Then the interval is here 0 to b into dx, into dx. Okay. Then here 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then integration of x is equal to 0 to a minus 2. Apply the upper interval b square. Apply the lower interval minus b minus 0 into dx. Okay. Then what we'll get here? Integration of x is equal to 0 to a minus 2b square into dx. Okay. Integration of minus 2b square dx, integrating with respect to x. 2b square is a constant term. Then what will happen? Integration of constant term is x. Integration of uh, minus 2b square, integration of dx is x. Then interval is x is equal to 0 to a. Then apply the upper interval and lower interval. Okay, in place of x substitute here a, in place of x substitute here 0. Then minus 2b square into a is minus 2b square a. This is the required answer. Okay. Then any doubt in this one? Then we will solve one more problem. Take down second problem. Evaluate using the Stokes theorem. Using the Stokes theorem for f vector is equal to x square plus y square I minus 2xyj plus 2xyj taken round the rectangle bounded by the lines x is equal to plus or minus a, y is equal to 0, and y is equal to b. Condition is x is equal to plus or minus a, y is equal to 0, and y is equal to b. Okay. Solution: evaluate using the Stokes theorem. Equation is given, condition is also given. Okay, first we have to write down Stokes theorem statement. Stokes theorem statement. Stokes theorem statement. Then integral of s f vector dot dr vector is equal to integral of s curl of f vector into n cap into ds. n cap into ds. Write the formula first. Then evaluate means we need to find LHS or RHS. Okay. Then we will solve RHS part only. Okay. RHS is equal to integral of S curl of F vector dot n cap into ds. N cap into ds. Okay. Then draw the graph, draw the diagram here. Write down rectangle bounded. Okay. Then this is x-axis, y-axis. Then okay, here x is equal to plus or minus a. We have minus a comma 0. Okay, this is a. Then this is 0 comma 0. Then come to b. This is plus a comma 0. Then here we are writing c a comma b. Then this point is 0 comma b, and this point is minus a comma b, minus a comma b. Okay, this is rectangle. Now write the diagram here. X is equal to plus or minus a. Observe here, x is equal to plus or minus a, and y is varies from 0 to b. Observe the diagram. Y is varies from 0 to b. Okay, y is varies from 0 to b. Then next, okay. Then first we need to find curl of f vector. Okay, I, j, k. Then this is del by del x, del by del y, then del by del z, del by del z. Write down I term. Okay, here I term is x square plus y square. J term is minus 2xy, and del by del z is 0. Del by del z is 0. Okay. Then previous problem I show. Already I show that how to simplify. Okay. If you simplify in same previous problem, same is there. Okay. Then simplify curl of f vector. We are getting minus 4 phi minus 4yk. Okay, minus 4yk. How to simplify your I into del by del z into del by del y into 0 is 0, minus del by del z into minus 2xy. Partially differentiating with respect to z means 2xy, z term is not there, constant, it will become a 0, plus j minus j del by del x into 0 is 0, minus del by del z into x square plus y square. Again this is 0, plus k into del by del x into minus 2xy is minus 2y, minus del by del y into x square plus y square is 2y, means we are getting minus 4yk. Curl of f vector is minus 4yk. Okay. Then integral of yes. Next, we need to find curl f vector dot n cap into ds. Okay, curl f vector is minus 4 by k. Then f vector dot n cap is nothing but dy dz I plus dx dzj plus dx and dy k. Okay, then simplify here. Here I k dot I is 0, k dot I is 0, and k dot j is also 0, but k dot k is 1. K dot k is 1 means minus 4y dx and dy. Then integral of s curl of f vector dot n cap ds is equal to integral of okay, here observe here, x is varies from, x is in this observe here, in this problem x is varies from minus plus a to minus, plus or minus, x is varies from minus a to plus a, and y is varies from 0 to b. Okay, 0 to b means here y is always, we have to write it in variables. Y is plus minus a to y is equal to plus a, then x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 to, x is also varies from, y is varies from 0 to b, y is varies from 0 to b, x is varies from minus a to a. Understood now? Y is, observe the diagram. The diagram will come this type. Okay, this is 0 to b. Y is varies from 0 to b. X is varies from minus a to plus a. Okay, then curl of f vector n cap is minus 4y dx into dy. Okay, then take down minus 4 common, integral of x is equal to minus a to a, then integration of y is a dx and dy into dx, integration of y is y square by 2, okay, interval is 0 to b into dx, then apply the upper interval and lower interval, minus 4 into integral of x is equal to minus a to a, then take down 2 also outside of the integration, y square, the interval is 0 to b dx, 0 to b dx, then apply the upper interval and lower interval, minus 2 integral of x is equal to minus a to a, b square minus 0 into dx, then minus 2b square, integration of x is equal to minus a to a into dx, do it, integration of dx is x means minus a to a, apply the upper interval and lower interval, okay, minus 2b square a, apply the lower interval, minus of minus plus 2b square into minus a, means minus 2ab square minus 2ab square, means we are writing minus 4ab square. This is the required answer. Okay, understood now? Any doubt? Okay, pa. Then in next class I will do the divergence theorem. Okay, the next class I will do the divergence theorem. Now I will wind up the class. Okay, thank you very much.